Ole kay siyam sota kan chuak chep to dar som pakhat le chan ve Foxtale office kan kal phenga thade kan wala choi nga ka kon tilang selanga chuanin tuna hen Uber kan book me ka kon khen vele kan kal to don ni kai mula sel don ni hello ta miss Nikita ni tuna hian Foxtale office kan pan don me ka Uber kan chuanga thim deuh ka kan lang thim deuh that mai thei ni kan thu Hello, nice to meet you.
He's the chief operating officer.
Oh,
so
sir.
He's the one who does everything to
Is it?
get all of our orders expedited from Mesa.
Very nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. So sorry, my hand is a little bit full. Tuna here Foxtale office kanong don se pulom very exciting. Yes, come, let's enter. You lead us.
Oh, yes, of course.
This is wow.
Some of our office rooms on the other side also we have people. I'll just quickly
Sure. Sure.
So we have tea.
Oh. Tamtok. Ay sa sungabel kan numati. Worker si office hen sa sungabel board kan duma. Asung chuan sa nga ain kan tam be the ti. Hey, offline le online te team sang no beta mo. So this is your room.
I said my team said.
Oh yeah, team. Hello, nice to meet you.
This is Mesa and Nikita. You might have heard me talk about them a lot. So they're here in the flesh. And they're going to be at the event also. But for those who are not going to be there at the event, thought, you get chance to meet them.
Nice to meet you all. And warm hot light.
This is Alina. She's
Hi.
the affiliate marketing team.
Can I just leave this one for the time?
We've all the time.
Nice to meet you.
Waiting for this day to come where everyone can sort of
Wow.
meet each other.
Everybody knows Mesa and Nikita.
Exactly. There's not a single team member who does not know you.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, this is Anshu. She looks up.
Nice to meet you.
And we are also part of the partnerships team.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, if you have stuff to keep, I'll also like quickly introduce you to others also.
Yes.
Yeah, stuff let's go.
Come.
Yeah.
Sure.
I
I'll
really
give
think
this
you
one.
should take this
No.
and give yourself. I really feel this. No,
I don't have to do
you
that.
have to.
You
You
do
have
it the honor.
No.
This is in your hands now.
You have to give it. You're going to trouble
Come on.
like all the way from Mesa. Come on, it's not shy out here.
Something you want to carry around.
Yeah, we can keep it with us.
It's okay. It's fine.
I don't know how to walk empty handed.
Okay, you know what?
Okay then.
No,
Do you want to carry those bags?
no. All good.
Thank you. Okay. Anh lo boy chul khop mai he. In order te kha an siam mek o chen kha chu in order ten pek mol mol ania. Lo lungai lo ula. Oh.
So happy to find you.
Same to you.
I joined you. I was just telling her. I joined your Instagram live.
Is it?
Yesterday.
Wow.
Yes.
We all were in your life.
Oh, while I was in the airport, right? Oh my God.
Had a live at 1 a.m. also,
Yeah, I
right,
had.
last night?
Yeah, that's. I joined that one.
Oh, thank you so much. I didn't expect that.
You should see the.
Yeah, the other side of the
Your
Yes,
house and the
sure,
team is
sure.
gone already at the
Yeah,
event.
they're all
Oh,
different.
everyone is busy today, huh? No problem.
No, we
This
go that.
okay.
This is Ruchika.
Hi.
She's our formulation scientist.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Nikita. Hi.
Sorry.
You want me to help carry anything for you?
No, it's okay.
Are you
I can.
sure?
Yeah, I can get it.
Here.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So yeah, we can just like walk straight forward.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just showing them the office and take them to the office and share with them the details. You know? Oh, perfect. So this is Ashwini. She
Yes.
looks after.
Hi.
This is
Nice to meet
Mesa.
you.
Customer relationship management.
Yes.
And,
Great.
Anything and everything that any customer has any problem, anything, so she is the person who solves all that.
Wow, amazing. What
You
an
know the
amazing
number that
job.
both of you always like put
Yeah,
down?
exactly. So you always
Yes.
transfer it to her.
Yes, I always transfer
Wow,
it.
great job. Hey, definitely. Same to you. Thank you so much.
Nikita. Yeah.
Amazing,
So,
amazing
introduce
team.
you,
Yeah, nice office. Such a big office. Yeah. Everyone is busy today. Yes.
This is Vivek. He ships you all your parcels.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure he knows your
Oh,
Nisa and Nikita. I'm pretty sure
Nice
he
to
knows
meet you.
your this by heart, your address.
oh, is
He
he?
will tell me.
Oh,
Nisa
he's the one who sent the PR and all,
Yeah,
right?
so we pack it and then he ships it to you.
Oh, that's so nice. Everyone is so busy. I'm very happy to meet the team.
This is a inbound supply chain team.
Yes.
Hi.
Prakash looks after all the manufacturing.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Packaging that is
Nice to meet you.
all the packaging that is done by Amir.
Wow.
Amir looks after all the packaging material. Prajakta purchases all the raw materials.
Yes.
Raw
Wow.
materials which are
Amazing
which are
job.
there in the products. And
Such a
Prakash
team,
gets
yeah.
the same. Rohan works with all the manufacturers
Yes.
for getting all our products made.
Wow.
on
That's
time.
wonderful. You guys are doing such a good job. Great work.
He must be so busy every day.
So I will introduce you to the team.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We
Hi.
are like celebrities in
Oh, is it? Thank you.
I still don't believe it.
Hope you had a good trip
It's a
here.
dream. Sorry?
Hope you had a good trip here to Bombay.
Definitely, yeah, it's one of the best. This is my first time and then it's unforgettable. I won't forget
You had breakfast and all together.
already, yeah.
We're very excited to have you here.
Did you guys arrive?
Last night around 8 at
Is
night.
it your first time in Mumbai?
Sorry?
Is it your first?
This is my first time.
Oh, it's your first time.
Yes.
You have a lot to.
Exactly.
I am Vaibhavi, by the way.
Yes, nice to meet
She's
you.
the senior vice president here.
Wow,
And
nice to meet you.
this is Avichal. He's leading content commerce as a whole.
Okay.
This is the team which works most close to you.
Superb team. This is an A team, you know. You guys are rocking. Such an amazing job.
hard, but still they are glowing so much.
Yeah, everyone is looking so fabulous. Like your skin all over. Everyone is just glowing. Yeah.
The people dressed up are going to be at the event.
Yeah.
Yes, that
The
would be
non-dressed
nice.
up ones aren't going to.
Yes.
For example.
For example.
Like,
I think we can bully him into coming to the
Nikita, meet Anindita.
Hi, nice to meet you.
And all the products that you see of Foxtale, she's the one who ideated, introduced all the products that you see.
Wow, such an amazing job. Yeah.
You must be so creative, right? To do that.
Thank you for bringing Foxtale to
No,
the.
that was not me. That was Rob.
Yeah. Anyway, but making like creating and all. Yeah. You did an amazing job.
check out her lab.
Yeah, sure. Hey, Foxtale Lepan here. An boy to come my. Yes. Can I come in? Yeah, thank you. Hello. These are the formulation teams, right? Foxtale formulation team. Yes. Hi. Yes, nice to meet you.
There's a soon to be launched product.
Those
The one that
sample.
you see,
Yeah.
the small pipette. This is launching in the next 14 days.
Wow, exciting. Hey, an product launch le. What to run niya? Ilo bang le chuchu do niya.
Meet Ruchika. She's the one who really creates all the products. the past one, the upcoming one.
Yes.
Always here. Yeah.
Wow, wow,
So
wow.
when we suggest product and Tanvi said we will give them to the formulation team. and
Yeah,
we-
this is
Yeah,
the deal.
this is-
Yeah.
The
So I
the
was like, yeah, I'm just getting goosebumps.
It's so unreal, you know, like it's such an amazing experience. And then I love the fact that you guys all are in the same floor, in the same office. Like the formulations part are not in a separate area, so this is amazing. Yeah, you can. Your team, Foxtale, is the best, you know, always.
Thank you so much.
Yes, good job, and then wish you all the best in the future. Yes.
They might take a while, but
Yes, yes.
When was the last time you came to?
Something very interesting. I don't quite know what it is.
This one is a Chinese sumac. I don't know how it's called in English. In Mizoram we call it khumba.
It's
a
candy.
khumba candy, yeah.
it's chocolate.
No, it's not chocolate. It will be sour and then a little bit sweet. Maybe a little bit salty also. It's a tangy taste, yeah. So this is for your team. Hey, Kim Sundu Changa Kali dia khumba candy hi and ito taka presentation na from Mizoram, all the way from Mizoram.
That's
So sweet. Really, really sweet of you.
He brought products from Mizoram for us.
Yeah, he got all the way for everyone. He got that there were a lot of employees
Everyone
here.
like-
So he got something that could be shared with everyone.
Most Mizo people have already tasted Foxtale, so you need to taste Mizoram, you know, you need to feel it.
love to.
Taste
Yes,
Mizoram.
definitely.
And then it will be great if you can come and have a trip in Mizoram as well. I would
I
really
know.
like to invite you.
Northeast has always been in my
Must
bucket
come.
list. I
Must.
have not been there.
We should make it happen one day. Yeah.
Must. Coming, you let me know. Then
Should we go find the room?
Yes, yes. In case you want to give it out.
Yeah, I think we should do it,
Yes,
no?
we can start giving it out.
I'll be good.
Oh yeah, yeah. You just said two of them.
Is it heavy? Is it heavy?
Yeah, yeah. Meher. Hello. You must be so
I saw several Foxtale videos, you know, I really love it and I really enjoy it.
I am a fan. I sent Nikita your videos, like you did something with the speaker and everything.
Yes, yes.
Insane
Thank you
vibes.
so much. I love everybody. Salon spa is out. You know what? The words that you give and the spread how the hnuah must.
Each other.
This is such a viral moment. I love it. Thank you so much.
Because whenever it comes to my ads, I never skip. I
Thank you
always
so
watch it
much.
every day and look at the skin. It's beautiful and amazing.
Thank you so much, yeah. I'm gonna be with you at the event. We'll chat more.
Definitely, sure,
You know,
sure.
Meher was one of the first few employees to ever join Foxtale. Yeah, literally the founding team member of Foxtale.
And this is Nikita,
Yeah.
the famous Nikita that we are.
Yes. I have heard so much about you guys. I have heard so much about you guys.
I feel what
I was just today morning just washed my hair. I was like, I'm getting so late. I'm getting so late.
But then, yeah, still,
We catch up. You guys look amazing. And I hope you have a very fun time. I hope this is your first
the
time.
best. This is my first time and the experience I will never forget.
Why do Tanvi and Nikita look like sisters? Like dyed hair, dyed hair.
Right?
It's very obvious. We have
But I love
great
it.
minds think alike.
I love the fact that you guys are so color coded. Like, you know, like color blocking. All in all,
I know.
love it. Absolutely. So nice.
You know, he's even gotten
Yeah.
something.
Short, tiny, yeah, something like that.
Oh, lovely. I have to. Oh, wow, you did.
Yeah, I did it.
Really nice.
Just for this.
What are you saying? I hope this event is as fabulous as, you know. I'm so excited to see you guys. I've heard so much from like Tanvi. Like, I follow all of you guys, by the way. In general.
So sweet.
We'll get more time to fangirl over each other.
Yes.
Okay, we made this for you.
Oh my god, thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you so much. I'll come see you guys in
Sure,
some time.
sure.
Yes.
I don't know if you're going to like it or not, but for me it tastes quite good. I hope you enjoy it. So I
Yeah.
just distribute it to each and every one.
We're up for trying anything. Yeah. You want?
I wanted to give you like a full package for the whole team, but like I would be access for my luggage, so I couldn't make it. But I'm really sorry. But I hope this helps at least. Yeah, I just start from here. Thank you. Most welcome. Most welcome.
You want to have a whole package? You gave me a whole package.
Yeah, my hair is special.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually quite nice.
Really.
It's a tangy type. We have something similar.
I think it will be similar only. I don't know what it's called in English. Like Chinese hnuah is the name. So we can hear that. That is good.
I also don't know what it's pronounced, but it's basically like
It's a little bit small, tiny.
Yeah, like the ball. Yeah, exactly.
It's made from that.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it has like the it's like tangy
Yeah,
flavor.
yeah.
Very nice.
Great. Thank you for liking it.
Thank you for having us and like making us taste it.
So the most important thing is that like the reason why I bring this from Mizoram is candy, like Chinese hnuah candy. Really tangy, sweet, sour. Yeah. Thank you so much. This is from Mizoram product.
Can I buy it somewhere?
I don't know how. I don't know what we may be able to buy nearby, but if I figure it out,
It takes something like jeera. It's a very familiar.
if I figure it out, I'll tell you. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry that you have to do.
I'm already learning. I love tangy stuff.
You know, this is the CRM team. You met Ashwini, right? So this is her team.
Yes,
So
yes,
you know, they're the ones who answer all of the customer queries that we get, all the complaints. This is the team that handles it all.
Sure. Just taste Mizoram. Yeah. Yeah, just leave it to her. I think we forgot this part.
Oh yeah, which is?
It's okay, it's okay. You're allowed.
Yes, I know. I was looking at you and I was like,
But I just want you to taste Mizoram. It's all the way from Mizoram. It's Chinese hnuah. We call it hnuah. It's a really small, tiny one. Thank you so much.
It is priority.
India, and we are going to do anything and everything for Mizo people.
Wow, amazing.
And you will see that in the near future. There's something in store. You will see that.
Yes, something.
Yeah, hiyan hey, Foxtale atu bol pakhat ania Mizoram tan thi le gamot tak kanon ti sagno dan tia arai to lawang an ti ni apurom khop mai Mizote window sata Mizoram hi kan tan chon in special tu kan tia ava nuam don em kan enjoy le viawang. Yes.
We love Mizoram.
Thank you. Chinese hnuah is born. It's a little bit sweet and sour. Fruits made from the sweet and sour fruits. Tangy, you like the tangy taste. Here, Foxtale office at Tomatson and founder Miss Romita Mazundarandia, and he here in Enge. Request at Thil came making a survey rocket for my audience. I am begging her, like requesting her to say at least some few words for my audience, for Mizoram, for the people of Mizoram, whatever she wants. So I'll give her time. Yeah.
No, to everyone in Mizoram, Foxtale loves you. We can very gladly, happily, and honestly tell you you are our favorite state in the country. We have, in fact, we were looking at it. We have one of our highest share of voices on the stage, but also I think the kind of love we have gotten from you, the kind of acceptance that we've gotten from you at a very early stage of our journey, reflects how loyal as users you are, how loyal. The culture of Mizoram itself is based on friendship, is based on love, and based on togetherness, and that's clearly seen in the values that you also bring in as users. At the same time, I always say I love the food in Mizoram. I went there, I spent 3 days, and your good taste in food is also reflected in your good taste in skincare. But third is also the value of looking good. I think, and when I say looking good, it's looking healthy, right? So the state and its people focus so much on healthy skin, healthy life, and I think that's so progressive, that's so ahead, that a lot of other states are catching up with it. But you have you are truly a global state. You've taken what is best globally in terms of health, in terms of work, in terms of everything, and that's clearly reflected in the choices you make as consumers. And so that's a state that has inspired me a lot. That's a state that we learn a lot from. I think it's one of the most ahead states in terms of their taste, in terms of their choices, and we love you. It's our state, it's our most favorite state. In fact, we have a surprise for the state, which I'm sure Misa will talk about soon. But it's that state that's closest to our hearts. So thanks a lot for everything. And I'm so glad I'm getting to talk to some of you, because you all know Misa, you don't know me, but now through Misa, I get to know some of you. So thanks a lot for everything. Thanks a lot for your love. And please keep showering us with your love and your blessings. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
That's
so much.
amazing.
Thank you.
Sila kan kaldon tayo.
Yeah, 7 o'clock. This is event here.
No, for the coffee.
Coffee? No.
Thank you. Thank you.
Launching the lip balm and thinking of what can we do with the lip balm and how do we make something that is truly unique.
Hello. Nice meeting you.
We went around talking to a lot of people. Like the Thil and Foxtale the story. So it's
She's a famous Shreya.
and all of us.
Tur hi dudu na kan vala ma free ve kai tur hi mo drinks te lo hi alcohol chuang chuang lo chuan ei tur hi sem call chal chada wait to hian pizza te meatballs te an sem call chal chada an nuam li tuk ei tur hi kan hiang nar top mo kan ril cha man lar top he mini burger te ole voin lama ka live lo ente Instagram ma mo chuan vlog lo ente kha chuan in she to thonga voin kan hun man na kha a hlok thla kan nuam ka ti topa ke experience eng tiklai ma ka thei hil to lo tur ka tonga timayang I a hlimoma a hlok thla kan nuam boka kan brands ngai na em bula kan oma karin phak bakin miten lo shia I kalom topa ngai na he khatiang tur khang ka base phalo ka ring phalowa atute mai po khan mi kha an lo ko vek theme mi khan lo shevek theme ming ka ming dan han soi phe kha chuanin engen lo she em me khatiang kha ka tong ngai lo ha alomom ka ti an rom ka ti topa timai an anuam ka ti top timai la enge he chapona ni lo se alomom ani chumo annom dan kha lomom topa I chuanin events kha po kha kan om tamman lawa keima ni phe kha chu nikitai nen khan office a khan kan om reilu tuka dar thum vela nin ka hria kan chhuah san chowa dar som pakhat le chen ve chang dar thum thleng kan omani chumo thil tam tak kan choya ni chun ange I atir lama kha Mizoram tan enge matak kan ron ti don an ti khamo ka shet to ma se ala soi thei lawa chuwang chuan I products lama ni lawa products lama ni lo thil thata kan ron ti don chu ni top mai ni chuanin soyan phal vele ka ron soyang chuan an lom ve lu tuka anei tu nu thu sei te po kha in lo en to thonga an lom ani mo an lom ve topa Mizote min du sak boka an rin pha bucket an product se kan lo ngai na ta kan lo du wang khan an lom let ve topa ron lom let ve topa ni chumo I chu at tak nen an lom zia te po kan su hmu puya thinlung tak pon an lom min ka hria an soidana an tong dan hmangten an lom len ka hria I aro pui top mai ni aro pui kan ti top me ke mani po I kan lom em ti chuanin gift min pelea karon unbox nga an gift min pek te hi pahnih lai min pe a I hei hi ni a gift chu a bom chu chuan hei hi ni a an mak te min pele a chuan super glow moisturizer atela chuan 12% niacinamide serum atela chuan glow sunscreen homa chuan a top ber ami hi product hi exfoliating body wash an launch thar tur ani a thadon khop mai hei hi mana cha kum to chuan pop socket min pe a chuan Foxtale diary moi MMA kan dong boka hei kama mo tak ani hei hi hei ho hi kan don ani voina kan don ani voina min pek gift min pek ani alo mum thin khop mai min du saka gift min lo pele thina chuanin kan gift pack po kha an lom topa an ngai hlu ve topa mizo thil ka etir te phei chu an ngai hlu to ka tu an ti em boka kim sun hlu te an che thatop kan thenge on che thatopa an khomma candy khomma sweet te pon chu candy mo an du tu an ti maya chuan sun hlu kha chu ami big te chau ka pe ka wang khan enge report kala dong lawa an du thau ka renga kha po kha khomma candy ero kha chu a piang khan an du vek tu an ti vek chu ni top mai ni chuanin enge mizo thil an thei khamo nuam an ti topa kema po khan kaloma Foxtale min man tira kan ti topa min man tira mizo thil kha hre se ron taste ve se mizo ram min taste ani me te ka te kapur ve topa kha te mizo ram thil Mizoram siam mizo siam 80 tura om kha 80 tura ken tura lo om kha kalom to pati chuanin ka dress ngote mo en tilu tuga ka soi fian na sa traditional thil ani jate nam thil alan chona ni jate ka soya achimi ka lo khoi chin ten tia mo tian ka lo khoi chin ten tian mo en tilu tuga enge dang dai an tia style an ti topa mo en ti topa ka thang swal lo khop mai ka thang swal lo khop mai mo en tilu tuga ani tunu pe chu in one fashion dun in one fashionista ve temeng he in one stylist dun ve min ti topani ka thianu nen khan mo moi min ti ve lu tuka alom oma min lo dong song cha Foxtale chuan ang ni celebrity india te min ti ang hial kha kan nia kan van nei khop me kan lom khop me ti chun event lama hei hi an sem ve le a bom te ron hona cha kom topa ma se kan board on sia baka pek arem don lawa achunga hianin an lip balm launch thar le an lip balm pouch oma heng te hi kan dong le kan ba dong de chu chura free lak tu an ti ero kha chu kan la lu tuk lawa chan chu flight to hole tu te kan ni wangin han lak chiam kha harsa arem lawa access te lo mo se gift mi lo pele bok nen khan mo hi an website ta khain a combo pali hemi pali in cha chuan hemi lip balm pali hi in cha chuan hemi pouch hi aron free don ni a page khan among bera an website page khan among bera kal ula hemi combo tel hi a picture lang nen hen lo omang Cái mình đã tay về đâu nhỉ? Thì hiện nha, hey tiền bé cái bộ khai thế tin lip balm pali khan in lâu vết kher đủ lâu thế à, chú chú pouch in lâu đủ về chuan om ve kan in website a han leitur ti hian ke po ka phoranga heng hi chu ui tak chungin hotel in na han lo pai turin ka da ka nu chia do ni mo chuanin voinia kan hun man dan te ka ron ti lan kha khang te kha nia voinia kan hun ke ni chuanin a kan main program chu an event dai ma chuan an office a income com meeting nei kha kan main event ani ve thunga chuan event ta chuan kan kal thawa kha khamin som chan pakhat chu ni thawa ma se office income com a interaction te ne ti meng he income com le te ne a in enge mo an malak na min shil te kha tin a event ta chance an lamang tangkai venin ka shia min cha thak dan te hi mo min cha chhuah dan te Mumbai min cha chhuah dan te ti teng alo rem chang hun alo in rem chang ve chiani event an lo nei tur nen alo rem chang ve zela khatiang kha engkim mai hi pathian hian lo ro thel vek mai ni ti top mai tiang alomum kalom topa alu ka ti topa nuam ka ti top mai ni mai na nani po in lo ngai hlut ve ka renga mi lo ngai hlut pui ve ka renga ti chuanin tuna changa an plan hi a hlor tin chuan anuam to don lut tuka kan ti nga lange anuam don lut tuka bak tu sei shi lawang sei thei kha da tlem sia eng po ni se ka channel te mi lo thil sak thina chunga kaloma kan Foxtale awanga Mumbai kan zin te kan Thil ti te engkim mai mi lo ngai hlut sak min lo lompuya min lo du saka min lo hlimpui mi lo lompui tu te inom ti ka hriat hian kalom le zuala in ka subscriber te ka followers te ka audience te hi in hlu ni ka tan chuanin le ti kha voinia ka hun man dan te ni tuna hianin dal khat ari to kamu to do na in za va in mang chave ko le video le pe kain phule don ya